welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun video for you today. So I was part of a homeschool mom box swap that was created by Rachel at Day to Day Joys. Her link to her YouTube channel is listed in the description box. So what this box swap was about was that there were 37 moms that were chosen. We were to fill out a questionnaire basically telling who we are, what our likes and dislikes were, kind of to give whoever we were matched up with a little bit more insight into who we are. And so once we filled that out, Rachel took all of the names, matched them up, and then emailed out that information to us. So I was matched up with Rachel at Real Housewife Rachel, and her channel is linked in the description box as well. Now, I have really enjoyed getting to know Rachel through her homeschool videos, and one of the really cool things about this swap is that I didn't know, or I wasn't familiar with Rachel's channel before being matched up with her. And so it's a really awesome way to discover new homeschool moms and new homeschool channels to kind of add to our arsenal of resources and all of that good stuff. So there will be a playlist of all 37 videos, and so that link will be listed in the description box as well, and you can click on that, and it would be a great way for you to discover new homeschool moms, new homeschool channels. I mean, YouTube is just a huge resource for me. I have learned so much from these homeschool moms, and I don't know, you know, my homeschooling journey would look so much different without all of the resources that I've gained from you homeschool moms. So absolutely enjoy YouTube. And so this box swap is just, it was such a fun thing to participate in. Now, this is the third annual Homeschool Mom Box Swap. I participated in the first year, and then this is the third year. So this is my second time participating, and I'm just really excited. There was a $25 max amount, and so we would read over what our match, you know, the person we were matched up with, we would read over their little sheet that they had filled out about interests and things like that. We would watch their homeschool videos to kind of get an idea of who they are a little bit better, and then with that information we went out and bought things and packed them up and mailed them off, and kind of a little, you know, just fun surprise and a little boost of motivation, especially here at the beginning of the new homeschool year. So I'm going to flip the camera around and you can watch me unbox this. I have not opened it other than just to break the seal, because at first I got this box and I'm like, who is this from? I wasn't, like, I forgot I was, you know, I was going to be getting a package because I had ordered a bunch of curriculum, and I'm like, who is this from? And then I opened it and I saw it said Homeschool Mom Box Swap, and I'm like, oh, it's my mom box. And so I stopped opening, so I have not checked it out. So you all will get to see what is in the box at the same time that I do. So stick with me, and yeah, have fun going through all the goodies with me. Okay, y'all, so here is my box. So we're gonna open this up, and look, we have such brightly colored little packages, and this says, to my Homeschool Mom Box Swap buddy, Carrie, I hope these gifts bless you and you enjoy them all. I am so excited I got you as my Homeschool Mom Box Swap buddy. I love your channel. The gifts are numbered. I hope you have a wonderful homeschool year. Enjoy, Mama. Love, Lindsay at Diary of a Homeschool Mama. So I will list her channel in the description box below. So you'll have Rachel's channel from Day to Day Joys, Rachel from Rachel Real Housewife Rachel, and then Lindsay, Diary of a Homeschool Mom, and then also there will be the link to the playlist. So be sure to check out the description box, because there's going to be a whole lot of information about this swap. So I am so excited. I love this. She labeled the packages, and then she gave a little description for each. So number 1 says, for those days when the mom brain is real. So we are going to open package number 1. Post-its! And little flag Post-its. I love Post-its. I cannot get enough. I am a planner gal through and through. If you are, if you've been with my channel for a while, you know I love planners and anything to do with planners. So I love Post-its. These are super helpful. Super helpful. Thank you so much, Lindsay. I love it. Number 2 says, for those days when you need a chocolate fix. Uh-oh, I love chocolate. I mean, who doesn't love chocolate? You know, I had a cousin growing up that didn't like chocolate. It's like, how do you not like chocolate? All right. So here's package number 2. Sorry if I'm bumping the camera. I'm just really excited. Ooh, hot cocoa. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Ghirardelli. Yes, I love this. Hot chocolate. Thank you so much, Lindsay. This will be put to good use. I'm sure my kids are going to want this, but I'm saving it for myself. Number 3 says, for those days when you need a little color in your life. Ooh, interesting. Let us see. Number 3, where are you? Okay. 7. Oh, there it is at the very bottom. Okay, number 3, for when you need a little color in your life. Yes! I love pens. My husband gets on to me all the time because every time I go to the store, I come back with new pens. Yes, and they're the gel style and they're multicolored. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. I get really excited about planner stuff. All right, number 4 says, for those days when you need a quiet moment. Interesting. We all need those quiet moments, don't we, mamas? Oh my goodness, it is a prayer journal. It says quiet moments for busy days. Oh my goodness, I am so excited about this. Oh, look how pretty. I love this, Lindsay. Oh, I've been wanting to start a prayer journal. This is perfect, especially at the beginning of a new school year. This is just the best way to start off a new year fresh and bright. And oh my goodness, thank you so much. So beautiful. Number 5 says, for those days when you need a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. Ain't that the truth? Oh, goodness. Oh, look at it. Oh, my goodness. Look how cute. Let me move it down here. Let's see if I can get it without the glitter. It says Jesus and coffee. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. So incredibly adorable. So, oh. And this would be perfect. I don't have a whole lot of my own coffee mugs. My husband does, but I don't have a whole lot of my own. So this would be great for hot chocolate. I can get up in the morning. I could have some hot chocolate. I could do my prayer journal. That is amazing. Number 6 says, for those days when you are feeling crafty. Ooh, crafty, crafty. Oh my goodness, how cool is this? They're stencil sheets with a little pocket holder. I love that. I don't have any really nice stencils and I love to plan, so these will be great. Oh my goodness, so incredibly adorable. You can see the different stencils. Thank you so much. Super cute. And then number 7, for your kiddos. These books are Two We Love. I hope your kids love them. What a sweet idea. Lindsay, that is an amazing idea. I would have never thought about that. This is called The Mail Wagon Mystery by Mae Justice. It's from the Good and the Beautiful library. Oh, we love the Good and the Beautiful. We have used a lot of the Good and the Beautiful stuff. They're such good curriculum choices. And then Tiger on the Mountain by Shirley Aurora. Another Good and the Beautiful. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Lindsay, I am just speechless. This was, let me see if I can put everything in here so y'all can see it. This was an amazing mom box swap. I'm just, yep, speechless. That's me. Oh my goodness. You have just made my entire day, probably my entire week. I am so excited. I am so grateful to be a part of such a wonderful homeschooling community. I know we don't see all of each other in real life, but to have the support of women that are going through the same journey as you is such an amazing thing. Lindsay, like I said, thank you so very much for this. It was an amazing and wonderful box. So grateful. And Rachel, who put together this Homeschool Mom Box Swap, thank you again. I know a lot of work goes into it, and I am very appreciative of this. It's just nice. I know that we moms, we don't always kind of spoil ourselves. You know, we're too busy worrying about our children and our spouses and, you know, what needs to be taken care of, and sometimes we forget about ourselves. And this is such a wonderful way to you know, bless other people and get a little motivation, and it's just nice to have, you know, that love spread around. So thank you to those who are new to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below. Please check out all the links in the description box. If you have any comments, go ahead and post them in the comment box. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.